following program is in described video for the visually impaired. It is also suggested that you listen to it under the influence of heavy drugs. Thank you.
Welcome back, beards and beardettes. Today, we're going to be reviewing some K-cups. I have used many different brands of K-cups over the years, and I gotta say that I am most impressed with this particular brand here, and I'm about to explain to you why. The brand is APSIC. I don't know if I'm saying that right or not, but it is APSIC. Now, with each one of these, you get 100 sets. I really prefer the 1.5 ounce. For those of you who have tried the different size of cups, you probably already know why these are my favorite. But for those of you who are unfamiliar, the most commonly used sizes for our hobby is going to be the 1 ounce, the 1.5 ounce, and the 2 ounce. Now, what's really nice about the 1.5 ounce is that the circumference of the cup is the same size as the 2 ounce. The 1 ounce is smaller, but the 2 ounce is the 2 ounce and the 1.5 ounce are a larger circumference, and what that means is that it's a little bit larger plate, right? So your agar puck is going to be a little bit larger, have a larger circumference, and let it grow out a little more, your culture. But back to also the 1.5 ounce, because the cup itself is shorter, the walls around it are stronger. So when you're popping your tops on, these have a much less likely chance of the walls crumbling while you're putting the top on. They're a lot stronger. So the 1.5 ounce is the best of both worlds. It has the stronger walls and the larger circumference. So if you've tried the 2 ounce or the 1 ounce and you haven't tried the 1.5 ounce, I heavily suggest you do. Okay, now back to this particular brand. What I really like is that it comes in a sealed bag, as you can see, right? It's they're for food originally, so it's very important that they come sanitized. But what I also like is that each sleeve, I don't know how well you can see it in there, but each sleeve of tops and bottoms comes in a sealed sleeve itself. So it's really easy to keep these from contaminating, because they come, like I said, pre-sanitized, as they should, because they're for food. And then each sleeve itself. So if you're in your hood, if you're in an SAB, if you're in front of your BBFFU, it's really easy. Some of these other ones, you cut the top and then the bag's open and you have no way of really like closing it back up. But with these, you can open the sleeve, pull out what you want, tie it back up, good to go. Stay nice and clean. Oh, also, I know Temu is most likely not going to be a first choice for buying your supplies from, but I've had really good luck with Temu. Not only getting my K-cups, but many other supplies as well, especially those little vials for water storage, the Castellani method. Yeah, I got these. I ordered 7 packs of these for $35.21. That includes the delivery. So yeah, I haven't been able to find them that inexpensive anywhere. I used to get 500 for $35 before tax from Amazon, but now I'm getting 700 for $35.21, shipping included. Another cool thing about Temu is that if you were to order 7 of these or 10 of these, how many you order, the $2.99 shipping is only charged once. So whether you order 1 or whether you order 15 of them, the shipping's still only $2.99. And the $35.21 that I paid for the 700 that I ordered from them includes the tax and the shipping. Well, that'll do it all for today. Just wanted to share that with you. Y'all be safe out there and happy cultivating.